Good morning, students. Already I have explained that in an arithmetic progression how you can find the general term. General term means any term. If an AP given, you can find any term by using formula an equal a plus n minus 1 d. Means if your AP is given, yours a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. So your general term is nth term is what? A plus n minus 1 d. So any term you can find out. Suppose you want to find out 100th term, so a 100, directly you can write a plus 100 minus 1 99 d. You can get it. Now the next topic is how you can find out sum of n terms in AP. Sum of n terms in an AP, in so many ways it is very helpful. Like suppose in first week you are in your piggy bank you are adding 5 rupees. Second week you are adding 10 rupees, then 15 rupees. You want to know after 100th week how much amount will be there. So this 5, 10, 15 will create an AP, and you can get the amount directly by using formula. So I am going to tell you first how you are going to get the formula of sum of n terms in an AP. Let your AP is this is a standard form. So sum of n term means you are going to add all. So a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d, and you are going to add till a plus n minus 1 d. This is your sum of n. So we are not going to add it because it can consist 200 term 300 directly. Okay, so I am going to tell you how formula you are going to add. Now just reverse this is also Sn can be written. If I am adding from here, first I am writing a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, plus just before this one less will be there, so below this it will come a plus n minus 2 d. Okay, this will be. Next if I will be adding, what it will be, a plus n minus 3d, because one less term will be there. Okay, so simply till end it will be going here, first term will come below here a. Okay, so if I am going to add this first and second, if I am going to add this first and second, add first and second, if you are going to add, it will be twice of Sn, sum of n terms. We read it as sum of n terms. Sn is what? Your Sn is sum of n terms in an AP. Okay, to first you add these two. If you are going to add this and this, a plus a will become 2a and plus n minus 1 d. Okay, this is first. Plus if you are going to add this and this, you see how I am adding a plus a 2a plus d will be common and inside will be n minus 2 plus 1. Okay, that will come. Second, if I am going to add this corresponding terms, you are going to say what it will be, a plus a 2a plus what is d common, and it will be your 2 plus n minus 3. Okay, this is. Similarly last will be what your, if you are going to add 2a plus n minus 1 d, this is yours. Okay, so twice of Sn, it is coming, first term is 2a plus n minus 1 d. If you are going to this one, 2a plus n minus 2 plus 1 n minus 1 d, the same, both are same. Plus if you are going to calculate third one, it will be your 2a n minus 3 plus 2, again what, that your n minus 1 d, this is also same, till you will find out last also is what, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Got it or not? This is means all terms are same. So these are n terms. So if you are adding, suppose 5, you are adding 5 plus 5 times, तो सम विल बी व्हाट, 5 into 5 25. तो अब ये n टाइम्स ऐड कर रहे हैं, तो ये हो जाएगा ट्वाइस ऑफ Sn, n into सेम टर्म को n टाइम्स ऐड कर रहे हैं, तो इट विल बी n into 2a plus n minus 1d. So what is your sum of n terms in an AP? You need to check it's for an AP, arithmetic progression. So it will be your, learn the formula, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is sum of n terms of an AP, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. A is what your, a is your first term of AP, first term of AP, and d is what your, you all know, that is your common difference, common difference. Okay, n is what, your number of terms, and Sn is what, sum of, what you are going to find out, sum of n terms. Okay, that is your sum of n term. See, or I can convert into one more formula, that is your same formula, n by 2. I can write it 2a. I can write it a plus n minus 1 d, and you know this is nothing else but the last term or general term. So one more formula can be created, n by 2 a plus an. Okay, when common difference is not given, last term given and first term given, we can use this formula. Okay, we need to find out how my equation comes simpler. So this is another formula. You need to learn sum of n terms is n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d, or I can write it Sn equal n by 2 a plus an. This is your formula for getting sum of n terms. So one example I am giving you. If like that your question comes, that is minus 37 minus 33 minus 29, you have to find out sum to 12 terms. You have to find sum of given AP, find sum of given AP. Okay, up to what? 12 terms. अब 12 terms add करेंगे तो it will be a complicated, and so first what that you know which formula for 12 term, Sn is what your n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d, that is your sum of n terms. Correct or not? So I need to find out n कितना है, 12 terms का निकालना है, तो n क्या हो गया आपका 12. a it is given what your first term minus 37, d क्या है आपका a2 minus a1, a2 क्या है आपका minus 33, minus a1 क्या है नेगेटिव minus 37, तो it will be minus 33 plus 37, so it is what yours 4, positive 4. Okay, as you are adding 4, positive 4 minus 33 plus 4 करो minus 29, तो you are getting it. Okay, so now I can get it S of 12. तो n क्या लिखना है आपको, n equal 12 है, तो 12 by 2 into a is what your minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 is 11 and d is what your 4. So you are going to calculate it. What it will be your, it is your 2 6, so it will be 6, and bracket it is you multiply it one minus 74. Okay, 7 to the 47. Okay, plus what it is your 44. So you are going to multiply 6 into what is your, if you are this one 40 and 30 minus 30. Okay, multiply minus 180 is your answer. Means you are going to add these term in AP up to 12 terms. You are going to get the sum is minus 180. Okay, that is a formula how to use it. One more question I am going to see. The question may come in different forms. So one question more I am taking. This is your NCERT question, and very good it is. Question 3rd 8th part. That is your 8th part, and it is given your AN is given your 4, D is given 2, SN is given minus 14, and you need to find N and A. Okay, AN is given yours 4, D is given yours 2, and SN is given minus 14. Find N and A. Okay, so now listen, SN given, but number of terms how many you don't know, because you need to find out. Last term is given, D is given, but A is not given. So first I will be using AN. What is the formula for AN? A plus N minus 1 D. AN is what? 4. So I will be keeping 4. A I don't know, because find A. So A I will be writing as it is. Okay. N minus 1 D. D is what? Your 2. This is your first expression. Okay. That is which is given, being given for you. Sn equal minus 14. So Sn formula is what? Your N by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 d. Sn already given, so I am going to put here minus 14 equal n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 d is given 2. Yes or not? D already given 2. 2 को कॉमन ले लो यहाँ से, तो minus 14 equal n by 2 into 2 कॉमन लिया, a plus n minus 1. Okay, that is in 2 and 2 again. But see, in my equation 2 variables are there, a and n, and both are unknown. दोनों नहीं पता, तो मुझे इक्वेशन फर्स्ट की हेल्प से आई विल बी पुटिंग वैल्यू ऑफ ए. सो इट विल बी योर minus 14 equal n. वैल्यू ऑफ ए आई विल बी टेकिंग फ्रॉम देयर, तो यू विल बी सेइंग 4 minus 2 n minus 1, and what is left? Plus n minus 1 left here. Okay, just I put the value of a from here. A is what here? 4 minus n minus 1 2. So I am going to solve it. Minus 14 and 4 minus 2n. What will be minus minus plus? Plus 2 plus n minus 1. Okay, so it is minus 14 and 4 plus 2 6, 6 minus 1 5, and minus 2n plus n minus n, that is okay. So this implies what? Minus 14 is equal 5n minus n square. Transpose that side. So this is a quadratic. N square minus 5n minus 14 equals 0. Now you need to 7 to 14, so you can factorize it. N square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equals 0. So you can say what, that your n minus 7 plus n minus 7 plus 2 n minus 7 equals 0. So 2 are factor, n minus 7, and what is your n plus 2 equals 0. So what is your, either n equals 7 or n equal minus 2. Number of terms can't be negative, so this is rejected. Number of terms can't be negative, this is rejected. So n equals 7 acceptable. What is your answer? N equals 7 answer. But still a you need to find out. So a I already said. Here you put the value of this one. A equal 4 minus 7 minus 1 6 into 2. So what is your a equal 4 minus 12. That is what your minus 8 is your answer. So a equal minus 8, n equals 7. A good question. One more last. This is one formula is there which I am going to explain. Very important. That is what? an is equal to sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 term. जनरल टर्म ए एन कैसे आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो? सम ऑफ एन टर्म्स में से अगर एन माइनस 1 माइनस कर दो. व्हाट इज दैट वन? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस इज any term. If it is given sum of n terms, how you are going to get it? Suppose simply I am taking 1 your 3 4 5. ठीक, this is your NAP. कोई भी AP है आपका. ठीक है, अब मुझे A3 फाइंड आउट करना है. लाइक यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट A3 बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. तो व्हाट इट विल बी योर S3 minus S2. Sum of three terms will be 3 5 6 minus sum of 2 term is 3. It is your 3. Third term is 3. Yes or not? Yes. So how that one question I am giving you, how we are going to use it? Nth term can be get by sum of n terms. Okay, one example question is here in your book. That is, if your sum of n terms, if the sum of first n terms in AP, it is given your 4n minus n square. Okay, find your find fifth term. Okay, means A5 you have to find out. Okay, like this. Now Sn is there. Okay, Sn is there means two ways I will be teaching you. Sn is what your S1 and put n equal 1. So S1 will be what your 4 into 1 minus 1 square. It will be your 4 minus 1 equal 3. Sum of one term means one term अगर sum करोगे तो वो तो first term ही आएगी. तो S1 actually क्या हो गया आपका? A1. तो S1 is equal to A1 means first term. First term is your 3. Now S2 by putting n equal 2 in this question. So what is your 4 into 2 minus 2 square. So it is what your 8 minus 4 equal 4. ये दो टर्म्स का सम है. S2 क्या है आपका? दो टर्म्स का टर्म सम, यानी A1 प्लस A2 है. और सम ऑफ टू टर्म्स इज गिवन 4. A1 A है प्लस A2, और A तो S1 ही है. S1 सम ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म मीन्स फर्स्ट टर्म, तो इट इज़ 3 प्लस A2. तो A2 आपका क्या आ गया? 4 minus 3 1. ओके, मीन्स सिमिलरली S3 यू आर सेइंग S3 विल बी व्हाट? पुट इन दिस वन 3. 4 into 3 minus 3 square. So it is your 12 minus 9. It is what? 3. Correct? So now S3 is 3. तो S3 एक्चुअली क्या है आपका? A1 प्लस A2 प्लस A3. A1 फर्स्ट टर्म ऑलरेडी आपने कैलकुलेट कर दी. कितना है आपका? 3. प्लस A2 आपने ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट किया. आपका A2 क्या है? 1. प्लस A3 आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट. ओके, गॉट और नॉट? और S3 क्या है? 3. तो A3 इज योर minus 1. So now you will be making it that how series will come? A1 3, comma A2 1, comma A3 minus 1, so on. Okay, this is going on. तो A क्या हो गया आपका? 3, और D क्या हो गया आपका? A2 minus A1. तो 1 minus 3 equal minus 2, और 1 minus 2 किया तो minus 1. ये हमारी AP जा रही है कंटिन्यूस. So I can tell any term. Suppose they are asking A5. A5 क्या हो गया? A plus 4D. A ऑलरेडी आपका 3 है, प्लस 4 इंटू डी क्या है आपका? -2. तो 3 minus 8 equal minus 5 answer. Okay, again I am telling you this is another way formula. Also I am telling you how to explain sum of n terms. It is given. This is much easier. Student they like this way. n equal 1 you put in this one, you will get s1. s1 किसके बराबर होगा? a के फर्स्ट टर्म के इक्वल. s2 मतलब सम ऑफ टू टर्म्स, तो पहले 2 पुट करके s2 निकाल लिया 4, तो s2 इक्वल 4. और वो है क्या? a1 प्लस a2. तो a तो ऑलरेडी हमने निकाल दिया, फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है आपकी 3, इससे a2 आ गया. इससे भी d निकाल सकते हो, a1 a2 की हेल्प से d इजीली आ सकता है आपका. करेक्ट. 3 दिस 1 माइनस 3 माइनस 2, यहाँ से d आ गया तो कोई भी टर्म निकल सकती है. s3 निकालने का कोई ज़्यादा इट्स नॉट नीडेड एक्चुअली. ओके, बट ओके. एंड हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस फॉर्मूला? सो यू आर गोइंग टू से an इक्वल एस एन माइनस एन हमारे को क्या देखा है? 4n माइनस एन स्क्वायर माइनस एस एन माइनस वन यानी कि n की जगह n माइनस वन रख दो. 4n माइनस वन माइनस n माइनस वन स्क्वायर. करेक्ट और नॉट? सो an इज वॉट योर नथिंग एल्स 4n माइनस एन स्क्वायर माइनस 4n माइनस 4 माइनस n square minus 1 and plus 2n. I opened as a minus b whole square. Okay, so an equal 4n minus n square minus it is what your 4 6n minus n square and what it is will be minus 5. Correct. Okay, so you are going to solve it. 4n minus n square minus 6n minus plus n square plus 5, and you are going to see what that n square get cancelled. It is actually minus 2n plus 5. दिस इज़ योर an. नाउ अगर n इक्वल 1 पुट कर दो तो a1 आ जाएगा. पुट करो a1 माइनस 2 इंटू 1 प्लस 5 माइनस 2 3. हमारा भी a1 क्या आया था? 3. ये हमारा a आ गया. अब a2 क्या है? n इक्वल 2 पुट कर दो इस रिलेशन में, तो माइनस 2 इंटू 2 प्लस 5 माइनस 4 प्लस 5 इक्वल 1. a2 हमारा क्या है? 1. यहाँ पे भी हमारा क्या आया था? 1 ही आया था. नाउ d निकाल लो. a2 माइनस a1, तो a2 क्या है आपका? 1 माइनस a1 कितना है आपका? 3, तो इट इज़ माइनस 2. नाउ एनी टर्म इफ दे आर सपोज 10th टर्म दे आर आस्किंग, तो a प्लस 9d. a क्या है आपका? ऑलरेडी आपने ये कैलकुलेट किया 3 प्लस 9 इंटू डी कितना है? माइनस 2, तो आ गया 3 माइनस 18 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 15 आंसर. So both the ways are there. Okay, you can use any way if you find it simple. Student they like this also, and this is actually based on the formula. Okay, thank you student, keep on practicing, send the doubts.